In this video, let us solve question number 4 of CBSE Class 10 Maths Sample Question Paper 2024. And the question is taken from the chapter Quadratic Equations. The question is, the nature of roots of quadratic equation x square minus 6x minus 2 is equal to 0 is, there are 4 options. Now let us check which one is correct. Here the given equation is x square minus 6x minus 2 is equal to 0. We have to find the nature of the roots. The nature of the roots delta d depends on b square minus 4ac. Here b is minus 6, so minus 6 square minus 4, a is 1, c is negative of 2. That is equal to 36 minus into minus plus 8. 36 plus 8 is 44, which is greater than 0. So the roots are, so option C is correct. Two distinct real roots.